Good morning, everyone. I'm Olivia, and I work for the Fort Worth Public Library. Today, we'll be reading Woodpecker Wham by April Pulley Sayer. Illustrations by Steve Jenkins. Are you ready? Here we go. Swoop and land, hitch and hop, shred a tree stump, chop, chip, chop. Early insects click and crawl, flick and flake to find them all. Nom, 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 nom. What? You don't like eating bugs? That's yucky. Yeah, it's yucky. Spring sap rises. Who will drill? Sapsucker, sticky bill. Do you get syrup on your face when you eat pancakes? That's what this guy's doing. Fan those feathers, shower clean, sunbathe dry, then oil and preen. Raise that crest, bob and bow. Flash those wings, it's time to wow. Start a home, build a bark. Dig it, deep and dark. Have you ever seen a place like that on a tree? That might be a woodpecker's house. Wedge it, sledge it, wham by wham. Clear those chips, slam, slam, slam. Hawks are hunting, stop, drop, hide, quiet on the other side. There's our hawk, and there's our friend. Shh. Tap, 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 where? Look and see. Crick, crick, crack, 6 chicks break free. Hungry mouths and begging calls. Hunt, hop, pick, quick, feed them all. Does that sound familiar, my parents? Fledglings fly, oops, fledglings flop. Chase and feed, when will it stop? Sometimes that's just how it is when you try something new. You're not going to be perfect. But you gotta keep trying. Fluffy fledglings now are grown, waka, waka, on their own. Fall is falling, acorns blunk. Pry seeds, pull seeds, fill a trunk. Now that's pretty clever. I wonder if the squirrels get it. Leave that tree hole, start one new. Who will move in after you? Build to bark, build, slam, slam, slam. Chip and chop, woodpecker wham. If you'd like to learn more about these really neat birds, go to the World Book Student database that we have at the Fort Worth Library database page. Don't forget to log in with your library card. Thanks so much for joining us. The end. We'll see you next time. Bye.